Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Prestige B, and in today's video you can tell from the title that I'll be showing you how I clean up my bushy brows. I haven't did my brows in before the quarantine started, so yeah. It's a long time. I would say about 2 months, going on 3 months. I haven't did my eyebrow. I used to wax my brows, and before I started to do my brows, I have thick eyebrows, like really thick. Right now it is thick. No, it's full, but it's thin, if you know what I mean. Like, if you look really close, you can see I have a lot of brows, but it's very thin. So I stopped waxing, and then I went to threading. I love threading. I love it so much, but that shit hurts so bad. But after it's all done, I'm like, wow, my eyebrows are looking so good. So I don't know how to thread. The lady that I go to is closed. Everybody's closed, so I have to do it on my own. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna show you how I clean up my eyebrows at home. So before we get started, I need you to click that red subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell because I do upload Monday through Friday. So yeah, let's jump right in. Okay, so I picked up this from Walgreens? Yes, I picked up this from Walgreens yesterday, and it is called Trim and Touch Up Kits. This is the way how it looks, and you can see that it have one razor and then two, like eyebrow shaper. So I'm gonna use one of these right here. Focus camera. I don't know what's going on with you right now, but I need you to focus on my face. Thank you so much. Okay, so before we get started, I need you to clean up your brows. Like, I need you to make sure that your face is clean and everything looks good. And make sure that you have your 91% alcohol. So I have that with me, and I'm gonna take my paper towel, and then I'm gonna put a little bit onto that, and just make sure that it has no dirt or nothing on it, no makeup, nothing like that. So my eyebrows right now, it grows down like this, and I hate that. It's like a moon shape. So normally, I like my eyebrows like kind of arched. So right now it is not arched. It's looking horrible. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, so as you can see that it is a lot of spots where no brows is right here, and I don't like it. I really don't like it. And as you can see that my eyebrows grow like this. It grows down. It doesn't grow like that arch thing. Okay, so I got this. I never used this one before. I used to use this one here when I just need a little bit of touch up, but they didn't have this, and this one is dull as hell. It can't even cut my lace. That's how dull it is. So I gotta throw that away. So I picked up this. I don't know if it's the same thing, but as you guys can see that it is more, to me, a little more sharper, and it's different from the other one. So I hope that I don't cut myself. I really hope. I'm scared, but we're gonna get it done today. But what I like to do, I like to get my spoolie and just kind of flick my hairs up just like that, and then get your scissors. If you have a really smaller scissors, use that just to trim up. You see, when you flick your eyebrows up, some hairs are very long, so I like to cut those off. But I don't have the small scissors. I only have this one here. So I'm gonna try to cut a little bit at the top. So I don't like to cut off a lot on my brows because my brows are very thin, but it's thick. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to take an eyebrow pencil and just to shape out the way how I want to do my brows. As I said, I don't like when my brows come down. I like it to be arched, so maybe I have to take off a little bit more at the end. So I'm going to take my Benefit brow pencil, And I'm just gonna go ahead and just shape out the way how I want it to cut or trim off. So I'm gonna go ahead and just shape it up just the way how I like to do my brows. Okay, so you see how that look? So underneath, I'm gonna take off a little bit and then a little bit on top. So make sure that your razor is clean. So just wipe it onto the towel or the paper towel that has alcohol on it. And then I'm gonna take my mirror very close because I wanna see what I'm doing. So I'm not gonna be talking, just watch me work. So first I'm gonna go ahead and start off at the top. And be careful, it is so sharp, I could feel it already. And then if you have a mirror that's closer to you that you don't have to hold, which is this one right here, I'm gonna take it and come really close and then start to shape it up. And you see how I use it and shape it, carve it up like this? I like to do this just to kind of pull my own skin to make it much better. So you see how that look? It looks so much better than this one over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on doing it to my liking. So now that it's all done, and I don't like to take off a lot because I kind of like my thick brows and I miss my really thick brows. Like there was no like patches in my brows until I started to do my brows and waxing and all of those stuff. So that lady messed up my brows. So this is the way how it look. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So next thing you gotta do is take a little bit more of that alcohol and I'm gonna clean up the middle right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my napkin that has alcohol and just clean it up. And I'm only doing one side on camera because I want to show you the difference, how it look. And you always have to go back and forth with your spoolie and your razor just to see how it looks and if you like it, if you need to shape it up more. But so far it looks good. I think I want to cut a little bit off here because as I said, my brows grow down, like down here. And I want it to be like up a little bit more. Okay. And then any little hair that is not shaped up, just use your tweezer. I have my tweezer right here. Make sure you wipe off your stuff with alcohol at all times. And then I'm gonna take and just tweeze a little bit. Okay, so now that is all done. I like the way how it looks. I did not take off a lot because as I said, I still want it to look thick, but a little bit shaped up. So this is good for me. When I do my brows and clean it up and do all of that concealer and all of that good stuff, it looks much better. But so far I like it. I'm gonna go off camera and do the other side. Hopefully it matches, but I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back and I did other side. I kind of cut myself, I kind of scraped myself a little bit, but I'm fine. I'm Gucci. But this is the way how I did it. I didn't want to take off a lot, so it still looks good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do my magic like this. And this is how it looked after I finished my makeup and all of that stuff. My brows are looking so much better than the way how it was before. I am telling you. Listen, you need to go ahead, go to CVS, go to Walmart. Oops, everything is falling out. But just go to CVS or Walmart, Walgreens, and get yourself some of these. I think I paid like $5 for this, so yeah. And I also did create this look. I did show it on camera, so make sure you guys check it out. I don't know when it's going to come out, if it's before the makeup or after the brows. I don't know what. Make sure you guys are tuning in because I upload Monday through Friday. But as you can see that my brows are looking fleeky and nice after I shape them up and do all of that good stuff. So yeah, this was a simple and easy trick that you can do at home. Everything is shut down now, so you got to do everything by yourself and just, yeah, do the damn thing. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe before you go. Turn on your bell because I do upload Monday through Friday. And I'll see you again in my next one. Bye, guys.